Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to start multiplayer Grand Prix. In the beginning, let's go to F1 World, and next go to Play. Scroll right and go to Multiplayer Grand Prix. Here you can create session or browse. Select session you are interested in. And next, simply select Join Session. You can also invite friends. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.